What's going on, everybody? I am home, not feeling so well today, but you know, you can only sit and watch so much TV in a day. So I'm gonna real quick walk through scrapping out some keyboards. There's not a lot in these, but there's nothing either. So yeah, I got a pile of them over here, and we'll pull them apart, show you what's inside. Alright, so in most keyboards, here's about all you get out of one. You saw there's maybe a dozen or so screws and little bits of steel. Some wire. Now I had already clipped the rest of the cable off of this. But those go in the insulated copper wire bin. Right now that's about 40 cents a pound. These little junky circuit boards, the yard I go to right now will take them for about 10 cents a pound, which again isn't much. There's not a lot of weight there. And a little piece of steel. So one keyboard isn't much, but let's get through the rest of this pile and we'll see what we end up with. So all of those keyboards pulled apart for a little pile of brown boards. They're only about 10 cents a pound. A few green ones, a few nicer boards. Those will go in with the others. Those are about 75 cents a pound. A little pile of wire and a little bit of steel here with the nuts and bolts and screws and such. So is it a ton? Are you going to retire off of that? Nope. But it'll help fill out a pile. So better than tossing them in the garbage.